You are watching Straight TV, baby. Yeah, man. We were looking at the markets. Bitcoin's not doing much. 19,167. Ethereum, same. 1289. Not much different. Financial markets. S&P 500, 3688. Dow Jones at 30,442. NASDAQ at 11,126. Not much happening over there as well. Commodities, gold sitting at $16.40. Silver sitting at $18.75. I love silver, by the way. This is one of my favorite commodities. Silver, I think it's going to $50. I love to buy those bricks. Okay, 1 kg bricks. Yeah, you know, you can put them in the vault. They have several vaults. These are privately owned, not the bank vault, okay? So that you don't have to keep it in the house and have the risk of owning metals. You can keep them in the vaults. You pay a fee and they store it for you, and you can collect it from any part of the world. Say if you're moving, so you don't have to move your silver or gold. You just go to a different country and they have a vault there and just, you know, get that. Right, so it's easy. But I love gold and silver too, including crypto. I love something that I hold, you know what I mean? But in big news today is South African government passed a law. South Africa declares crypto to be a financial product subject to financial services law. Huge. This is huge for crypto. We should all rejoice what is happening right now. Again, but there's a good side and the bad side. They call crypto as a security. Okay, I'll tell you why. This is an historic moment for South Africa. Today, the Financial Sector Conduct Authority, FSCA, declared a crypto asset as a financial product under the FAIS Act. This declaration was published in the Government Gazette as well as FSCA website. What does this mean? Under the FAIC, a financial product is defined as a security. So just like XRP and SEC lawsuit, SEC saying XRP is a security. Now, South Africa says crypto is a security. Well, some, majority of the projects would have to pay a fine. That's the only way being around it. Like EOS paid a fine. There are several projects I can, count which have paid the fine and which are fine now in the eyes of SEC. So I think XRP will do the same. They will have a settlement. They'll pay a fine. Boom, done, right? Because that's what they want to call this, a security, right? So it is what it is. But the good thing is, when they define this as a security, what happens is the money sitting on the sidelines. There's so much money sitting on the sidelines from the institution and old money. If I'm a billionaire, I don't want to put my money in crypto. I'm already a billionaire. I don't need to, make more money. What I want is not my, wealth go down 99%. There are cryptos right now. Jasmine is down 99.9%. Imagine I put $1 billion in crypto and that goes down 99.9%. Right? So there's a lot of money sitting on the sidelines. But once you have regulations, the money will come in. Crypto market is less than $1 trillion. $1 trillion. Bro, that is nothing. Okay? Equities all around the world, just in the United States, it's about $100 trillion. If you count all over the world, Japan, China, India, you're talking about $150 trillion in equities, right? You have real estate in trillions and trillions of dollars. You have gold at $8 or $9 trillion, right? When the market is called a market, I would say you can call crypto as a market, stabilized market at $20 to $30 trillion. Then we are talking about 1 trillion, man. All these ups and downs is a joke to me, right? It's fun. It's just like playing a game. It's like a video game, right? That's why I love crypto. It just gives me the ability to have fun, right? And it just plays with your emotion. You get this highs and lows. It's just fun, man. But I'm not scared, right? I put a house in it. Well, that's the big news today, and I'm excited. This is, one after another country will pass regulations now, and money will pour in. Money will pour in. How are you guys? Thank you for letting me know that my thing don't work. All right, Cody. All right, BC Drums, can't hear you. Okay, now you can hear me, right? Darren. Much better, much better. Yeah, man. Okay, let me finish my tea. So, how do you like this new setup, bro? Let's look at what happened to APT. Let's look at APT. What is up with APT? Look at that. From freaking on Binance, it went to $59. Man, so many people are gonna get screwed. This is it is not done yet. It'll just keep on going down. But the good thing is, you can trade it. Once you find a bottom in APT, you can buy in and it'll go up again, right? So it's just a matter of patience if somebody wants to trade, but risky, okay? Risky. This thing's gonna go down for a long period of time. I think 3-4 months. You know, they will have pumps, but it will not pump to the top where it was, you know, for a long time. I would say for a year at least. So, but the sideways action and going down will take place in the next 4 to 6 months. It'll find the bottom, all right? But yeah, that's what I think. So let's look at Bitcoin, BTC. What's happening with BTC? Cody, I remember you asking for, what was that crypto again? Antimatter. I'll look at antimatter. Well, see what we talked about yesterday. I just don't want to keep on reiterating. Like, the wicked below this channel. And now, slowly, gradually, you know, baby steps, we go up like that. Okay? So, we stop here, somewhere around here. We stop 20,000. I think, yeah, 20,000, 20,100. That's where we're going. And again, we'll correct from there, come back down, and then go back up again and try to hit that $20,900 to $21,000 mark. Come back down, you know, back to 19,100, somewhere around here. So yeah, man, it's gonna be boring, but you know, once this is done, once we come back, after that the journey will start towards $24,000. Okay, so yeah, but I do come live for you guys, right? So I was looking at Sia coin yesterday. Let's look at apt. Okay, you wanted me to look at apt? No, not apt. Antimatter. Cody wanted antimatter governance. Is it the full chart? This thing just released in 2021? Bro, it has still ways to go. This thing's gonna keep on going down, bro. This thing's gonna keep on going down. Like that. Yeah, this is not done yet. What? Okay. Yeah, only 97% down. This is not enough. This is all liquidity grab right here. It's all liquidity grab. It'll come down here to this level. Back down to this level, pump a little, you know, gradually come back down to this level, pump a little bit, you know, possibly may not pump, you know, try to hold this and it'll break down. So yeah, that's what I think. All right, it's not done. Antimatter, yeah, not a good buy right now. It'll come back down. It's not done with the yeah, just with the looks of it. Yeah, it's just gonna create once we hit here at this spot, we may see some price action that, you know, we can go up to 29 cents. It's possible, but it's just, again, a liquidity grab. It'll come back down to this level. Yep. Yeah, bro, it's going down. You know, it'll come back down to 0.03 cents. You know, that's where once it comes down to this range, it'll be down 99.40%. That's where probably it'll stabilize. What another scenario can happen is sometimes it does this, right? And it goes sideways, and then it dumps like that. Okay. So how it's gonna act up, I don't know, but somewhere around here, 4 or 3 cents would be the bottom. Right. We'll see how it acts, but at least it'll come back down to this level. What is this? 8 cent. 8 cent could be a good buy. It'll pump after that a little bit, and then it'll dump. So you want to trade, 8 cent would be a good buy. 0.0830. After that, it would pump 80-90%. You would get a massive pump. How far it'll go, I can't say, but what I could say is it will be a liquidity grab. It'll come back down. Okay, nothing on the channel is a financial advice, guys. I'm some guy on the internet. This is what I see because I see this a lot. This is same fractal. Majority of the cryptos play the same act. So yeah, it's not done yet. It's not done. Thanks, Cody. I appreciate it, brother. Appreciate the $10. Mitch, please, can you chart ALBT? Mitch, Alliance Block. Okay. Shrey, when do you think Bitcoin will hit 100,000? Somewhere in 2024. Bitcoin is going to have a very boring cycle, boring few months. Next 4 to 5 months is going to be really boring. Once Bitcoin hits between 23.5 to 25, after that, it'll start going down and sideways. It's going to be a really boring period for crypto, man. I just hate it, but that's what I'm expecting, a really, really boring period for crypto. So, yeah, during that time, there will be, odd projects that will pump. Like in last cycle, every crypto has its own cycle, right? So if something which has bottomed, which is down, say for example, Jasmy is down 99.90%. So there is no way around it except going up, right? So it'll go sideways, but it'll still pump, right? It'll go up, but at a slow pace, right? Till Bitcoin starts to go up, right? So, but there will be some projects, for example, like Chainlink, there was Theta, which made, substantial progress during when Bitcoin wasn't doing anything, right? During the bear markets. Like, if you look at the Chainlink, just look at the Chainlink chart. You will see during the bear market, this crypto did really well. It just kept on going up, right? When Bitcoin crashed, say for example, in the March, it crashed too. But meanwhile, it was going up. But other cryptos, what they will do, they will just do the same as 80% to 90% crypto will just act like what Bitcoin's doing. They will go sideways. They'll go up a little bit, 80, 90% that come back down, go 50%, come back down 40%. But that's what's going to happen, right? Say, for example, yesterday I was looking at, what was that crypto? Damn it. Energy Web. Okay. EWT, Energy Web token. So, Energy Web, right? It's in this zone, right? So, I expect Energy Web to come back down to these levels, right? And it's just going to waste time. I see that in a lot of other cryptos as well. A lot of waste of time, right? Until all this period here will be waste of time. Like from here to here. The real bull market will start in 2023. Somewhere, third or fourth quarter of yeah, third or fourth quarter of 2023. Till then, there's going to be, but again, every crypto has this individual cycle. So what I expect from Energy Web token, go down to $2.80 or $2.70, come back up, come back, slam back down on this trend line, try to go back up, slam back down, then try to go up, pierce through this channel and get rejected, right? And then start going back up, right? It'll go to this $30. But all this period, it's just gonna be such a boring period, boring period, So yeah, depends on what you hold, man. Every crypto will act in a different way depending on which kind of fractal it is following, right? So, but this one I know. So few of the other projects that I've been looking at, that's what it shows, that there's gonna be a boring period in crypto. Well, everyone's going to pull their hair out. But yeah, but that's what I expect. I don't see Bitcoin doing much. Once it hits 24, 25, it'll go back down to 19,000, some change. And it's going to be a very slow grind low. So it's going to be a boring period. I need to find a crypto that's going to be pumping. I see XRP. XRP is going to pump. XRP is going to pump. Bro, yeah, it's going to be XRP cycle I've seen is going to pump, man. It will have that little boring period. It is going through some boring period right now. XRP, let me show you. So XRP will pump once it passes this resistance, right? How long it'll take for it to do that, I cannot say. So every time it touches this channel, right, it's gonna get rejected, right? But at least we'll be going to this 62 cents, 62, 63 cents level on a short term, right? Once we are done with this channel, like XRP is gonna shoot up to when Bitcoin goes to this $25,000, XRP is gonna hit 62 to 65 cents, crash from there, major crash, right? And then try to go back up, crash back down. It'll have some difficult time getting out of this channel, but once it gets out, man, it's gonna pump like a MF. XRP is gonna go crazy once it gets out of this channel, right? So it'll be interesting to watch how this plays out. You have to look at the dominance of each crypto against Bitcoin, right? See which one's almost close to pumping, right? And then allocate your money accordingly. Or if you don't want to do anything, just sit back and relax, man. Sit back and relax and enjoy the show. That's it. You know what? What do I think? The people that is gonna make the most amount of money are the people who's not gonna trade. They just put their money and forget about it till 2024, 2025. Those are the people who's gonna make the most amount of money, right? Even, excluding me, okay? Even if I trade, not my 100% trades are not, I don't win on 100% trades. You lose some, right? So when you lose, those losers are bad, bro, So people, you don't have to be a rocket scientist to make money. Just buy and hold, right? But I do this I have this adrenaline pump that I get, when I trade. So yeah, it's fun. It's like a video game. For me, it's like a game, right? Just like going to poker. It's like a fucking casino, right? You go out there and you play. Why do you play casino? Because, you can lose sometimes, right? But you still go out and play. Because when you get that pump, man, I love it. But people will make more money than me who don't trade, right? So I tell my friends, I was like, man, I do this 24/7, and if I can get fucked, so don't try this. You're gonna get fucked hard, okay? So I don't trade, man. I don't tell my friends to trade. I was like, it's not a good idea, but it's good if it's something literally you have some dry powder and you see a crypto down 99.90%, it'd be foolish not to buy. Yeah. So yeah, it'll be foolish not to buy. Again, it's an asymmetric bet, man. 99.90%. You know, if it's a legit project, it's not gonna. You see, what was this? Cardano went to 2 cents. It was down almost 99% too, right? It's a legit project. Went down 99%. You know, I bought Cardano at what? 10 cents? Yeah, 10 cents. Yeah, 10 cents. And second time that I bought was at 15 cents. And that thing went down from 15 cents to 7 cents. Man, oh my God. I was so panicked, bro. I was so panicked when Cardano went from 15 cents to 7 cents. Boy, oh boy. This was way back, right, in 2020. So, how are you? You can hear me properly, bro? Let's see what's pumping and what's dumping in the markets. You wanted that crypto, what was it called? ALBT, right? ALBT. Lance block. This looks like it bottomed, man. See what I was talking about, the other project that Cody wanted? What was it? Antimatter, right? Antimatter. It's just like that. This came, so it's just gonna pump. If it does not hold this level, bro, do this, come back up. If we lose this level right here, lose this level, it's gonna go back down like that. Okay, let's see how low it went. Again, 96-97%, just like that antimatter thing. Antimatter. Let's look at the weekly. If it keeps on going up, how far it can go from here? I would say it can pump to this level here. See, I'll give you an idea where, because it's building a resistance here, so that means it's building a channel, right? So I expect it to be something like this, right? But at some point it'll go below the channel, right? Disregard this and put it this way. Okay, make this as a channel, right? But what usually happens is, you know, if it does not go down here, then it'll play out like this, something like this, and then go up, right? But cryptos tend to break this channel and go back down and scare you, right? It can go up to this level, come back down, and then go below this channel, right? And find a bottom. Once it finds the bottom, it'll try to come back up, test this channel. Test this channel, probably get rejected first time, come back down, try it another time, rejected, and then it breaks through the channel, and then, you know, it starts to go up like that. Something like this, right? So eventually it'll reach these levels, you know, $3 to $4, $3 to $4 at some point in the cycle. But it's gonna take time. It's gonna take time. When a crypto dumps like this, it just don't go up right away. Very few projects, very few projects, they go like they make a V like this, okay? We call it a V recovery, right? So they do a V like this from here. They make a V like that, you know, and just keep on going up like that. Very few projects do that, okay? So depends, you know, very few projects. You have to see if it crosses this line here, that means it's going up. But V recoveries are very rare. It takes the same amount of time. Just look at this, right? It took how many days for it to find the bottom here? 399. So imagine 399 days upwards momentum would be like this. It would look like this. V recovery from here, 399, but then it would stop at this spot. It has to stop, right? So 399 days from here, yeah, it would put it to November 23, but it doesn't happen that way, man. Yeah, usually they form an arc. Cryptos usually form an arc, and any asset forms usually an arc like that, right? And depending on how far it goes, you know, you'll find a bottom, right? And then it'll go up, right? Like that. So yeah, we'll see. But it can lose once. If it loses this, bro, the only way to know is this way, right? The arc, you know, how far can it go? How far can it go? Right. So 0.01 is the worst case scenario, 0.01. I mean, the wicks can come out of this, right? How far the wicks can go, I can't say, but like somewhere around here, it may stay here for a few days, right? In this area, 0.01. Again, you know, this is just if we break this channel. Some cryptos never go down like that and just goes, they hold the channel, and they go up, go to 786, right? 786 on this thing, get you excited, go up to 786. Yeah, it can go up to 618 or 786. I would say if it's going up, then it would go up to 60 cents to 786, right? Get you excited to 786 and then dump all the way back down to the channel like that, and then pump back up to the channel, $1.60, come back down, waste some time, and then go up, right? That's another way it could pan out, right? So we'll keep an eye. All right. Free, I appreciate all the advice. Yes, we can hear you. Can you look at MTV Multivac? Do you think it's a dead project? I purchased over 100,000 of it last year and I'm just holding, no worries. MTV Multivac, right? I don't think it's a dead project, bro. Multivac is a very good project. MTV. it's just a market, bro. You have to look at, there are projects which went down. So many projects went down 98, 99%. It's just disheartening, right? Because we hold it. But they're good projects. Cardano went down 99%. Theta went down 98, 97% when it got launched in the first cycle. Digibyte went down almost 98, 99%. I think it's ready for a pump, bro. Multivax looks like it's gonna have a good cycle. Looks like it's gonna have a good cycle, bro. Really good cycle. Yeah, Multivac looks like is one of those cryptos which is gonna recover. The one that I'm talking about, right? Just recently I said that there will be some cryptos which will go up. This could be one of them. Look at that. Yeah. Huge upside, bro. Huge. Will we break this resistance and come back down to this level? That's the question. That's the question. That will we come back down just to kiss here, or we go up here, because we can extend this arc a little bit. I think this is enough, man. I don't think we are going down to this level, because it came back for a retest of this level, went up, so this did everything appropriate. Question is, will it be able to go to this 40 cents 50 cent level? Because the way things are looking, bro, this thing can just break all the resistance and go up to these levels, because it has time on its side. It's just, will it be able to hold this level? Will it come back down to this level and come below? It's possible. Let me see. At some point it's gonna reach at least 20 cents level. At least 20 cents. Okay. This Multivac. But I can't figure if it's gonna hit this level, come and kiss this level, get a drop of another 50% drop. Because the way it's acting, man, Let me look at it again. Okay, let me look at it upside down and see if we find support here. Yeah, the next support is here, bro. Yeah. Can we go? Don't know, man. I think we can go and kiss this and go, to this level. Yeah, I think so. We might Scary. Let's see. It's tough to say, bro. It can go down. It can go down. If it loses, it's gonna lose between 40 to 50% dump. It's tough to say right now. See, it's just hit the resistance, and yeah, it can probably come back down, bro, and have a wick down to this level, to 0.005. That's totally possible. Okay, but we are coming very close to the bottom, for this particular project. But then after that, I see a lot of upside, huge upside for this. Once it hits the bottom, right, huge upside. But it can possibly come back down to this level right here, 0.005, 3 zeros and a 5. Yeah, because huge resistance here, right? So it can come down, to this triangle, break the support, and hit 0.005 and scare everybody, and then waste some time, and then the journey starts upwards. Okay, but mid to short term, I would say midterm, you can look at 2 cents at some point in 2023. You can get 2 cents, but like that 20 cents or 15 cents would come in 2025. Short term, you can possibly hit this 2 cent, 3 cents level, but once we bottom out, it'll go up. Okay, that's MTV for you. Nice. I just don't know what their team is doing as far as marketing and utility. I was considering purchasing more too, but just weighing my options. Yeah, I would wait. Any pump that comes right now, I mean, when Bitcoin hits $23,500 to $24,000, I will look at the altcoin dominance where we are, and I might take some profits during that time, right? Because I expect a boring phase coming after that. So this is when I'll be taking some profits. It doesn't matter if my crypto is still down 80%, 90%. I may take some profits because, we may get a bottom, and majority cryptos can go down 40, 50% after that. Right, because when Bitcoin hits $24,000 and it goes back to 19,500 or 19,200 from there, in the next 3-4 months, that period would be where there are a lot of cryptos which would find their bottom, right? So yeah, man. But anyways, I'll let you know. I keep my Patreons up to date. So yeah. When I'm taking profits, I'll let them know. But what's happening, man? What's happening? Let me take a break a little bit. I've been talking a lot. Free. Thank you, brother. Thanks for $2. Let's try to find something that, the thing that I want to find is the project in last bear market, which was Chainlink. I want to find something that is like Chainlink, that is going to pump all the way through. Quant going to pump quite a bit. Okay, quant I think is gonna pump to $800, $900 before it crashes. Big crash in quant is going to come between 800. Once it reaches $800, $900, quant's gonna, have a big crash. But till then, that's why I love XRP, man. XRP is gonna keep pumping. It has a very good fractal. That's why I like XRP. Even Theta is gonna pump. Theta I expect $5 to $6. Theta is gonna pump to $5 to $6 anytime, man. Anytime. $5 to $6 Theta. Once it pumps to that level, I may take some profits. But waiting game. It's a waiting game. If you look at Theta, look at this. It's just forming a perfect how shall I say? It's like a falling wedge. It's forming a falling wedge like that, right? Theta is forming a perfect falling wedge. Once it gets out of this, boy oh boy, it's going to be fireworks. It may still have a couple of weeks like that here before it pumps to this level right there. We'll have some sort of resistance here at $2.50, right? And sometime here at $2.50, $2.60, have some sort of correction, and boom, to $5 or $6. Theta, $5 or $6 is coming, baby. Look at that. Possibly $7. It can push to $7. God knows. But that's what I expect. November, December, this thing's gonna move. Again, it's gonna get really volatile before it goes up. So we could see a lot of volatility next few weeks. A lot of volatility for Theta, right? Daily, if you look at this, it's gonna have a squiggly line, really bad. You could see wicks that go really far at the bottom, right? You could see wicks that go as far as here, right? You could see wicks for Theta go down to 85 cents. It's possible, okay? But it's just there to scare you. On Theta, you could see something like this come to the end and boom, have a nice wick to 85 cents, come back up, just, confuse everybody, and then go up to $2.50, $2.60, come back down, boom, go up to between $5 to $7. That's what I think is going to happen to Theta, right? It's just a waiting game, waiting game. Right, let's see what's gaining right now. I hate this 0 token. Okay, this T-Food. Somebody was telling me this is like track, TRAC, tone. This is like Origin Trail. Yeah, man, this looks like it's gonna have a good upside. This thing's gonna pump. Let's look at a weekly. Pump to at least these levels, 13 cents.
Bitch, please call me now. I don't wanna win the war. Bitch, please call me now. I don't wanna win the war.
Yeah, it shows clear. It's gonna be a drag every time it tries to go up, reach this level. It's gonna come back down, but eventually go up to 13 cents. You could see a pump soon for tone. That is a nice pump, almost 300% pump, bro. Yeah, 300% pump for tone. Come fast. Yeah, tone looks like it bottomed out here. We'll be going up. MDT, measurable data. What is this, man? It's not measurable data. MDT. Measurable data is this one.
Bitch, please call me now. I don't wanna win the war.
Again, same thing with this project as well.
Bitch, please call me now. I don't wanna win the war.
It's in this, 2025. And this thing can go to $1 easy. Yeah, look at that. Perfect. The way it's shaped is just perfect, man. Can it go down? Yes, a little bit. It can go. I've seen cryptos go down to this level, like that, and then pump all the way up like that. Okay, it's possible. Yes, it's possible. It can come back down to this level, and then pump from there like that.
Bitch, please call me now. I don't wanna win.
Right now, it's holding this level, but it can break this level, come back down, and then go up. All right. But this thing is going to $1, at least $1. What is it at? 3 cents right now. Yeah, but it's possible it loses this level, goes back down, kisses this, just gives a kiss to this level right here, right, to 2 cents, and then it goes up. Right, that is possible. Yeah, if it loses this level, bro, this thing's gonna collapse pretty quickly. That is measurable data. What do I think about Web3? Bro, the whole internet's gonna be on blockchain. But again, it doesn't happen overnight. It'll take 10 years for everything to come on a blockchain. Right now, there are ideas. So many people are coming with new innovations, ideas. It takes time. Internet was not built in one day, right? The whole growth of internet from 1990 to 2000s, and how it accelerated from 2000 onwards. Once the iPhone came in and you have the smartphone, then everybody has internet now, right? So it's just like that. Think about blockchain just as internet is starting, but the growth that internet took 20 years, this will take a shorter period of time. I would say 10 years, because the whole infrastructure is ready. Internet's already there. This is another layer on the internet. Blockchain is another layer on internet. All the stocks, derivatives, real estate, anything you imagine will be on a blockchain. But it'll take probably 10 years, right? But investing in, for a long term, short term, yes, you can speculate. Right now, we all are making money in speculation, which project's gonna do well. right? It's all technical analysis. But when you look at the fundamentally, I would say, 5 years, a few projects will be set. These market makers and the big guys, BlackRock, the government, and they already have chosen. They already know which is going to do well. It's our job to figure out, okay, which this big wigs are picking. Like, why did I pick Theta? Right, Theta. Sony is behind Theta. Samsung's behind Theta. Google is a validator node for Theta. So for a long term, for a long haul, if I'm looking at 5 to 10 years down the line, it's a very good project. I'm gonna make money in the short time, buy and sell. But if I want something long term, then I would look at Theta, and I was like, man, this is gonna change, revolutionize streaming service. Like YouTube cannot handle it. Right now, there are 2 billion people on the internet. Right? Imagine another 2 billion people coming on the internet in the next few years. Right? Not the whole world has internet. Like, there are so many developing countries. India has a population of 1.7 billion people. Probably half a country has internet. Still, half a country is without internet. Right? So these people are going to get new phones, new smartphones. The cost of smartphone in India is about $100. $100 to $120. It's so cheap, man. So smartphone is going to get really cheap. They're going to give some of the developing countries these devices for free because they want to track everyone. Your phone is your tracking device too. The government wants to know where you spend money, where you go. They want to know what you do, right? So I believe the phones are going to get really cheap and everyone's going to get internet. Once everyone gets internet, the easiest way to bank these people is through crypto. They're going to come out with CBDC and they're going to give out free money to these poor people, right? That, okay, here's CBDC. Okay, this is like a supplemental income because you're going through rough times. We're going to give you this money because they will be printing money out of thin air, right? CBDC. They'll give them. And everybody will download this wallet because it's free money. Right, once they download the money, spend the money, they're used to this spending easy money, and it's so convenient. You just need a phone, you go out there. If you go to India, it's a third world country, but the payment infrastructure is way advanced than the United States. Way, way advanced. Most of the places you go, you just have a barcode. You barcode, you pay by barcode. That's it. They have something called Paytm. It's been there since almost 5, 6 years, 7 years. If you want to make a payment, everyone's doing it with a phone. A small shop vendor that sits on the street has a barcode. You go out there and do a payment. Boom, done. Third world country. So they already have the digital infrastructure ready because they know what's coming. Right. So it's going to be, everything's going to be digital. Everyone will be using, there will be a digital dollar, there will be digital euro, there will be digital pound, digital rupee. Right. And all these cryptos, government cryptos, CBDC, will be built on a platform, right? They're talking about Tezos working on digital dollar, right? Nobody's talking about Tezo, right now. But if you look in the news from way back, if you look at Tezos, digital euro, not digital dollar, digital euro. I'll take my words back. Tezos was working on digital euro, right? Look at this. Tezos technology used in digital euro model experiments, right? This was in 2021, 2020. So, like Ethereum, Tezos is another platform where things could be built on. Solana is a platform where things could be built on, right? So Tezos, EOS, people have forgotten these cryptos, but Tezos is not some, small crypto. This is a very good crypto nobody's talking about. Tezos is going to do really well. Imagine if a digital euro is built on Tezos. What's going to happen to price of Tezos, right? So, yeah, man. Things will be exciting. The future is exciting. It's just the time, the waiting game. They've been doing that in China for a while. You can go buy some food at a local shop with just QR code. Yes. Money sent. Simple as that. Yes, exactly, bro. And we feel backwards in the United States. When I go to India, I travel to India quite often. I have a few investment properties there, right? And I live there. I was born and raised there. So I go there often. And, in a third world country, past 7-8 years, you just need a, QR code. That's it. Boom. Payment's done. Like, an illiterate person can't even read or write is using QR code for payment. So, yeah, man, it's coming. It's coming. But anyways, guys, it's been a while. How long I've been there? For a long time. I will see you tomorrow. Okay? Love you all. Take care. Have a good day. See you later.